Welcome to my home. I'm Dr. Brenda Gill, and this is the first in a series of videos on the stepping stones to wellness and better health. Each of these steps will give you the pieces to build a solid foundation and start on the way to wellness. The first of these steps is optimal health eating. What I mean by that is to maximize what foods you are eating on a regular basis so that you have the maximum number of nutrients absorbed in the system at all times. So the first thing I talk to patients about is trying to eat as many alkaline foods as possible. When you are eating alkaline foods, you are much less acidic, and when you're less acidic, you will absorb your nutrients much more efficiently and detoxify much more efficiently as well. So alkaline foods are typically foods that are deep colors, such as dark green. For instance, kale, Swiss chard, cilantro, parsley, beet tops, collards. The darker the green, the more alkaline the food is. And that would include broccoli, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, anything that's dark green. Most other vegetables like cauliflower, beets, squash, yam, sweet potatoes, etc. They're typically alkalinizing as well. Most fruit is alkalinizing, and the darker the fleshed fruit, the more alkalinizing it is, such as cherries, berries, plums. They're very high not only in bioflavonoids, but they also have a lot of fiber as well. Most whole grains are alkalinizing, such as brown rice, quinoa, teff, millet, to name a few. And so if you have most of the foods that you eat alkalinizing foods, then you want to balance it with your acidic food. So your acidic part of your meal would be your protein, whether that's chicken, fish, turkey, eggs, beans, legumes, tofu, tempeh, nuts and seeds. Although most seeds are alkalinizing, then you have a balance between alkalinizing foods and acidifying foods. And when you have that balance, then typically that meal is neutral. And when that meal is neutral or slightly alkaline, so for instance you want to have a little bit more green vegetables and grains than you do the protein, then you're continually allowing your body to do a really good job of detoxification, which means that you're moving breakdown products, hormones, etc. out of the system much more efficiently. So that's the first step.